Hi everybody and welcome to Daily Diesel Dose. Today we've got a 1970s military wrecker here. Town of Camillus is selling this. It's possible that this truck only has 81 miles and 46 hours on it, according to the auction paperwork. Don't really tell us much else about it other than it's rusted, doesn't run, doesn't start. Gotta tow it. Don't know much about these vehicles. They're cool, I'll tell you that, but it's always sort of hard to tell. They made similar style of these Briggs for a very long time. This one's got the recovery body on it. Your towing gear back here. Town has had this rig for a while. I remember seeing this about 3 or 4 years ago when I stopped by. It was up closer to the garage, so I figured they used it. But apparently they don't. No more can be said. If you know anything about this, please leave a comment below. Subscribe. Just let me know. And we'll try to piece the mysteries of these old vehicles together, one comment at a time.